Hi, YouTube. Welcome to my first live. I'm so excited to be on this platform now, too. My name is Mary Sarah, and I am a digital marketer, and that is a brand new career for me. I am 60 years old. I'm single. I'm a single mom of 30 years. I am a grandma of three, and my youngest has autism. He's nonverbal, and he's age 4. And I do watch him as well. In fact, my daughter and my grandchildren live with me. And so I needed something that was going to give me my time back. I was searching online. I have tried so many other things that just didn't work out or cost me thousands of dollars with no return. And so I was searching, and then I came across a lady who was also a single mom and a grandma, and she had been in network marketing, which I have done that as well, and had no success with that. And she ventured into digital marketing and the blueprint and the 4 e-learning programs that we promote. And everything she said just like checked the box for me. I wanted my time back. Okay. I was a single mom. I missed all my children growing up, and it broke my heart. I can't look at their pictures of them when they're small without getting teared up because I missed all of that. Okay. And so I needed something that I could get my time back. I wanted something with flexibility. My grandson has autism, and I needed a flexible schedule so I could help him in his therapies and, you know, getting the girls back and forth from school and all of that. So my daughter could work her job and not have to worry about anything. Everything is taken care of. And, it's just been absolutely amazing. I needed money, right? I need income. Okay. I'm in my retirement years. I'm not going to go work 40, 50 hours a week anywhere. Okay. I'm a realtor. Well, great, but the market's soft. So I need to make up that income. I've got 30 years in the mortgage business. I don't want to go back into the mortgage business. So I was searching. I became a licensed insurance agent. Spent thousands of dollars on leads with no results. It was terrible. So, I have spent the money and I have tried and I bought other programs, and I needed something that had no tech, that I could get up and going quickly. Somebody to basically take me by the hand and teach me this, because this is something I've never heard of before in my life. I had to Google it and then, try to go online and see what else was out there, and just finally came across Michelle, and it was a godsend. So that's how I ended up here. And this has been absolutely amazing for my family and for thousands of other families. And one of the best parts about it is we have a community of like-minded people. We have a community of women just like me, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80-year-old single women doing it on their own. Some of them are raising their grandchildren, some of them are you know, just doing their thing and wanting to be independent. And I love that. I love that. And so this has given them the freedom to be able to do that and not to have to settle for a bad relationship because they didn't have the income. Yeah, no more settling. No more. So I now have a business that I run from my home. The security of my home I don't have to drive anywhere. I don't have to go out to my car in a parking lot at nighttime, scared, especially nowadays, you know, looking around me, getting to my car as fast as I can, get in and lock the door. I don't have to do that anymore. I don't have that fear anymore. I'm in the comfort of my home, and it's amazing.